a cheesecake pie, a no-bake cheesecake pie. We've done the first segment and made the pie crust out of graham crackers. Now we're going to do the blend. I put in 16 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to put the same amount of Cool Whip. And you can use a non-fat cream cheese and Cool Whip. Tastes the same. Then I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of Wild Tree's Very Berry Cheesecake Blend. Put it up and turn it on. Look at that. It's coming to a smooth mixture, which we're going to scoop into the pumpkin cheesecake crust. Down here. And I'm just going to scrape some of this off so we make sure we get the majority of it right into that delicious pie. In fact, you can just sort of let it fall into the pie crust. Quick and easy. And these cheesecake blends come in 6 or 7 I guess it is, different. There's strawberry, there's blueberry, there's raspberry, there's pumpkin, there's apple. So there's quite a few different ones, depending on what you like. Very berry though, look at those berry. Does this look good? But I have to be honest. I have an allergy to berries. So I'm not getting any of this real close to me. Because otherwise, I will blow up and blossom like a flower, all red and in bloom. But it's not a pretty flower. So we don't want that to happen. Just going to smooth this out. And then, with these raspberries, I'm going to scoop them right on top. And voila, a no-bake cheesecake pie.